Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about how Dogecoin will remain among the top cryptocurrencies. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Many still consider Dogecoin to be a meme coin based on the fact that the cryptocurrency lacks use cases. Some days ago, the CEO of AMC Theaters, Adam Aron, set up a poll on Twitter to discuss the possibility of the theater chain accepting Doge tokens as payment. Without a surprise, almost 80% of the 140,000 voters supported the notion. Also, Elon Musk offered his contribution to the discussion by saying that Dogecoin needs to reduce its transaction fees to make the system viable. Musk's advice is good, as the current transaction fee is now around 50 cents after it peaked at $1.30 sometime last month. The transaction fee is at the moment ridiculously higher than the price of a single Doge token, which is currently trading at around 20 cents. Although the Dogecoin network can process 40 transactions per second and conduct transactions that are worth over $1 billion every day, it's still lacking a lot of participation. At the moment, less than 6.5% of all Dogecoin addresses hold any balance. It should be noted that a rise in investors is usually observed anytime Dogecoin is in the news or is being hyped for some reason. The data obtained from the social behavior of investors indicates that Dogecoin picks up its strength in moments of hype. Social volumes were down until the announcement from AMC, following which spikes were observed on the charts. Also, Twitter users spiked to a 2-month high over the same period before falling back down. Consequently, for real value to come in, the pattern above needs to change. Dogecoin has recently seen an increase in the number of long-term holders, which is good for the price of the crypto. Its velocity, however, needs to increase as well to support daily use, especially since it's been dormant since July. Recent data has shown that the number of merchants who support the use of Dogecoin has risen by over 60% in the last 8 months. The value represents an increase of over 150% from 2020. This increase is due to the low fees that are paid on Dogecoin transactions, which makes it suitable for carrying out lots of small transactions. The transaction fee is very low when compared to bigger cryptocurrencies that have very high transaction fees due to their high network traffic. Ranging from purchasing basketball game tickets to movie tickets to buying real estate, Dogecoin has proven to be the go-to crypto for payments. It should also be noted that over 1,700 merchants are currently accepting payments in Dogecoin. Also, the commercial real estate platform Red Swan has recently announced that it will begin to accept Dogecoin for some of its payments. Red Swan has recently listed 2 properties worth about $36 million up for sale. The company has also pegged investment in the properties at a starting price of $1,000 each and announced on its website that accredited investors would have the opportunity to use Dogecoin to invest in these properties. Elon Musk is undoubtedly the most recognized influencer in the Dogecoin community. Over the year, his tweets have resulted in spikes in the prices of Dogecoin and other dog-themed cryptocurrency projects. This implies that a lot of investors take his comments on Dogecoin seriously. Recently, Mr. Musk has once again pointed out something that can make Dogecoin sit among the top cryptocurrencies. It should be noted that Dogecoin has had a rough pattern of massive ups and downs over the past few months, although it was initially branded by many experts as a joke digital currency without a clear path to gaining stability. The Shiba Inu-themed coin also continues to gain traction as a medium of exchange. The founder of the crypto-commerce website CoinLinked has asserted that the market value of Dogecoin can go as high as $1 trillion, indicating that its price can go as high as $7 or $8 per token. Although there are a lot of positive signs that the meme coin can trade higher, the level of risk associated with such trades remains very high as well. The rise in the price of Dogecoin at the start of this year was triggered by a group of enthusiasts on Reddit who were trying to repeat in the crypto world what the Wall Street Bets subreddit did to the stock prices of GameStop. Said investors caused a short delay where some investors profited by pumping the value of GameStop, which forced institutional short sellers to push its price higher as they covered and closed their short positions. A sizable number of Redditors took the behavior of the short sellers as artificially depressing the price of GameStop shares and other heavily shorted companies below their reasonable valuations. The early surge in the price of Dogecoin was assisted by tweets from Elon Musk, as the coin was dubbed the People's Crypto, or the People's Coin, by its proponents. This also led to the growth of the Dogecoin subreddit, which reached almost 2 million members by May 20th. Big Dogecoin whales also played important roles in the rise of the coin, as well as its subsequent drops, as these holders pumped and dumped the coin. The general crypto market is still very volatile, with intense views on both sides of the argument around the value of such assets. Unpredictable and powerful price movements translate to long-term investment in a chosen portfolio of stocks that are likely to provide better returns for a lot of investors. Most of the top cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, have been plummeting over the past several weeks. It's been noticed that the price of Dogecoin seldom moves independently from Bitcoin or the general crypto market, and its price is traded within the 20 cents range for some weeks now. The stability in its price has been recorded despite the average transaction value, which has been surging and falling in recent times. Another factor that can attract Dogecoin to more investors and traders is the very low amount of electricity that's needed to mine and use the meme coin. Dogecoin uses just about 0.12 kilowatt hours of electricity for a transaction, whereby Bitcoin uses over 700 kilowatt hours for the same transaction. A nonprofit organization, Veryblock Foundation, has said that the company was working on developing a new technology that will use Bitcoin's proof-of-work security for other cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. If this is successfully deployed, the technology will greatly lower the environmental costs of Bitcoin and also provide improved security for other cryptocurrencies. Like any currency, Dogecoin gains value as it becomes more widely accepted as a medium of exchange. Many small businesses now accept Dogecoin as a means of payment, and their economic impact is effectively zero. However, some larger entities already accept Doge, including the Dallas Mavericks, which lets customers pay for tickets and merchandise with Doge tokens through BitPay. Mark Cuban, the team owner, said that the Mavs have decided to accept Dogecoin as payment for tickets and merchandise for one very important, earth-shattering reason: because we can. The press release from the team gave some more reasons for the decision, emphasizing that accepting cryptocurrencies helps expand businesses' sales opportunities into global markets where credit cards are not practical. Also, according to the largest American silver and gold e-commerce site, JM Bullion, Dogecoin had now been added to the list of 7 cryptocurrencies that it accepts as payment. The policy states that buyers using cryptocurrencies get a 3% discount on their transactions when compared to credit card purchases. Some rumors have also been going around that Elon Musk might begin to accept Dogecoin for purchases of Tesla electric vehicles. The car company had halted accepting Bitcoin payments due to the adverse environmental issues. However, Musk continues to offer his verbal support for Dogecoin. From its creation, Dogecoin has enjoyed several potential bullish factors, which makes it difficult to dismiss it as an asset. As with investing in all altcoins, the risk remains high, but Dogecoin's low energy costs, possibilities for a shared security protocol with Bitcoin, the willingness of top companies to accept the coin, and considerable price stability are positive signs that Dogecoin will make it in the big leagues. Also, the meme coin can benefit immensely from the considerable goodwill of its wide and growing fanbase. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.